I'm Keith Roberts and we're KKL Logging. We supply firewood to the domestic and the commercial trades within the 30-mile radius of Hatton. We have lorries bringing it in, again from a 30-mile radius. They bring it in on Arctics, 25, 26 tonne at a time, and we chop it up into lengths for the desired customers. The crane helps tremendously. Now we can back straight into the shed and load the bags straight onto the back of the truck, whereas before we used to use the forklift and we were trundling in and out, backwards and forwards, having to hook it on. So it wasn't so much unsafe, it was just we can just back the truck in as opposed to up the bags up back onto the forks of the forklift. The crane now allows us to come straight in. It's got the extra reach, whereas the forklift whereas we can reach the bags from a good distance away now. I dare say it is 100% faster than before. Yes. The crane has a little more reach than the previous crane that we used to have, whereas the forklift used to load the bags. The crane now is backed in on the back of the truck and we can lift the bags straight from the inside storage. Yes, the crane delivers further than we expected. This allows us to lift them over walls, over gates. The customer doesn't necessarily have to be in when we deliver, with a view that we can put them over security fences, all manner of different ways of delivering. And it's been a great help for me and the customers. We've won orders because of this feature on this particular crane. Yeah. One of the winning factors with Penny Hydraulics is the safety features on the boom and on the legs. There's in cab an alarm system that sounds if the boom has been left out and in a dangerous position, and alongside the legs there's also micro switches on the legs, and for us it's a massive benefit. We don't want to drive away with any of these things hanging out. Absolutely amazing. We spoke to David and within a day he'd come down, priced the job, told us what we might want and how it would look on the truck. We then visited Penny Hydraulics on 2 occasions to view the crane and to make sure it was the one we wanted, and then the staff there were more than happy to help us and showed us how they were doing the engineering side of things and the electrics and all of the. We priced a few cranes up. I'd had a friend who'd had a Penny Hydraulics crane prior to speaking to David at Penny, and had said about the good service and how good the company was, and the fact that they were nice and local as well. We could nip backwards and forwards to see the process when they were adding the crane to the truck. Spoke to David on a number of occasions, and he came up with a fair deal for us, which we chose in the end. Yeah.
My name's David Jones. I'm Area Sales Manager for Penny Hydraulics. I had a telephone call off of Keith saying that he was looking for a crane to lift bags of logs on and off his vehicle. So just went from there really. I explained to him that obviously we do quite a lot of business in this industry and it's becoming really popular, and tried to advise Keith on what crane that I thought would have been most applicable to the job. I was looking at a 230 or a 270, and predominantly in this industry PH180.3 does the job perfect. So I just explained to Keith this was the situation. Also, if you're looking at installation charge on the bigger cranes, it's £1,000 more for the installation plus the additional cost on the crane itself. So cost effectively the 180 was by far the better option. When I spoke to Keith, I offered to bring the demo down to him. He said that it was passing up past our factory at a certain point, so he popped in, had a chat with us, got the demo vehicle out, got the cranes out, let him have a look at different models. As with our demo, don't really lift a great deal with it, it's just there to demonstrate how the cranes operate. And yes, it's available to everyone. We will take the crane to people, or they can come to our factory to have a look at the cranes on site. We have a PH50, we have a PH110, we have a PH150 and a PH180. Okay. They're all .3s, which are our most popular models, and there's various options in terms of hydraulic legs, manual legs. There's some that have just got ECI, which is electronic capacity indicator, or there's some that have got LLC, which is load limit control. So there's various different options and that we can show customers. We have a PH demo, which is predominantly, as it says, the PH cranes. We have a swing lift demo currently, which has got some PH, smaller PH cranes, and it's got a lot of swing lifts. And we also have a demo van that's got, obviously vans, it's cranes inside of it in vans, but it's also got the load lift platform at the back.
Absolutely 100% brilliant. Yes, couldn't praise them enough.